She got the job offer on the spot on Thursday. By Friday afternoon, she was in full spiral. Here's what I told her to do Monday morning and what happened Monday afternoon. My coworker nailed her interview Thursday afternoon. Absolutely crushed it. The hiring manager said, "We want you. I'll have the recruiter send over the paperwork." She left the interview floating on air. By Friday afternoon, full panic mode. She was asking me, what if they changed their mind? What if they found someone better? What if the recruiter ghosting me means it fell through? She spent the entire weekend checking her email, not being able to focus on anything or enjoy anything. Monday morning, she texted me, still spiraling. So I introduced her to Strategic Pessimism. I called her to talk about it. Now stay with me. This isn't what you think. So what I said to her was, all right, I don't believe that they changed their mind at all. But let's just say they did. Let's say they suddenly decided they hate you, they changed their mind, they don't want you, and they rescind their offer. What would you do? And then she paused and I said, well, you'd keep going, right? You'd just keep looking for another job, right? And she said, yeah, I'd be disappointed, but I would keep looking for another job. And I said, all right, I want you to do that. That's what I want you to do, is proceed as if this isn't going to be your job and keep looking. And then when she calls you, then you can stop. So by the time we finished with that, something shifted in her. She realized even if the worst happens, she's going to be okay. Now she has a plan. The spiral stopped right there, Monday morning. By Monday afternoon, literally hours after our call, the recruiter emailed with the paperwork, exactly as promised. But here's what matters more. She wasted an entire weekend in a spiral that accomplished nothing. But when she had a plan for the worst case, peace, immediately. That's strategic pessimism. This works because your brain spins when it thinks you're unprepared for disaster. Strategic pessimism says, okay, brain, let's prepare. What's the actual worst case? And what will we do? Once you have a plan, the anxiety loses its grip. You're not ignoring the fear. You're facing it and showing yourself you can handle it. It's not dwelling on the negative. It's taking the worst case scenario, making a plan for it, and robbing it of its power over you. If you find yourself spinning over what ifs instead of living your life, this tool could change everything for you. You don't have to figure this out alone. Strategic pessimism is just one of the tools I teach my clients. There are dozens more for anxiety, overwhelm, boundaries, decision-making, whatever keeps you stuck. If you're tired of wasting weekends and weekdays spiraling, let's talk. Book a consultation at the link in my bio or in the comments or in the description. And on the call, we'll talk about where you are now, where you're stuck, where you want to be in 6 months, and whether my 6-month Peace and Purpose program is the right fit for both of us. You deserve to stop spinning and start living.